What if you can own a factory-built pickup truck with a supercharged V8 producing over 700 horsepower while still carrying your gear, towing your toys, and conquering almost any terrain in America? The Ford F-150 Raptor R isn't just another performance truck. It's Ford's answer to the question nobody asked but every enthusiast wanted answered. The Ford F-150 Raptor R sits at the very top of the F-150 lineup. Built by Ford Performance, this truck combines desert racing capability, everyday practicality, and muscle car power into one incredible package. Designed for drivers who want maximum performance both on and off the road, the Raptor R represents the most extreme version of America's best-selling pickup. One look at the Raptor R and you immediately know this isn't a standard F-150. The massive black grille features bold Ford lettering that dominates the front end. Aggressive LED lighting, functional hood vents, and wide fender flares give the truck a commanding presence. From the side, the Raptor R sits higher than a regular F-150 and rides on large all-terrain tires designed for serious off-road adventures. At the rear, dual exhaust outlets hint at the supercharged V8 hiding under the hood. Whether parked at a job site or blasting through desert trails, the Raptor R delivers unmatched road presence. Inside, Ford blends rugged capability with premium comfort. Supportive sport seats, high-quality materials, and unique Raptor R badging create a special atmosphere. The cabin feels spacious and comfortable for both daily commuting and long road trips. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom, while the truck bed provides excellent practicality for hauling equipment, camping gear, or weekend toys. The overall experience feels far more premium than many people expect from a performance pickup. Technology is one of the Raptor R's strongest areas. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers also get a fully digital instrument cluster that displays performance and off-road information. Wireless charging, multiple USB connections, navigation, and advanced connectivity features help keep occupants connected wherever the adventure leads. Now for the star of the show. The Raptor R is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 producing 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through a 10-speed automatic transmission and a sophisticated four-wheel drive system. Acceleration is remarkably quick for a full-size truck, while the specially tuned suspension helps absorb rough terrain at high speeds. Despite its size, the Raptor R feels surprisingly controlled on pavement and incredibly capable off-road. Ford equips the Raptor R with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Available features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assistance systems. These technologies help make this high-performance truck easier and safer to drive every day. If you want the ultimate factory-built performance pickup, the Ford F-150 Raptor R deserves serious attention. It combines supercharged V8 excitement, advanced technology, everyday practicality, and genuine off-road capability in a way few vehicles can match. CTA. What do you think about the Ford F-150 Raptor R? Would you choose it over its competitors? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content.